Dolce, what do you want to do today?
Let's go green laning, motherfucker.
Are you sure? Give me 5. Boom, let's do this. Come on. Come on. Dolce, heave, mate. Hey, come here. Come here. Good boy. Oh, Dolce, I think we're on it now, mate. Oh, yeah. Dolce's going for it. I keep getting confused. I've got different, Moto GP like sort of race set up on my other bike, so I'm used to going up into first and then down for the rest of the gear. So obviously on this, that's not how it's done. You alright, Dolce boy? Not wet enough really. Oh, here we go, Dolce. Hey! That's deeper than I fucking thought it was. Oh boy! Ouch, that one was deep, wasn't it? But it's only little. This is what I'm talking about. Go this side, it's bigger. Go. Good boy, dog. Oh shit. I have no preloaded or off-roading skills whatsoever. How Baron von Grumble had a go at this on a bloody GSXR, I don't know, he's bloody nutcase. Dolce's doing alright. Dolce, you got wet. What do you reckon, Dolce? Where should we go? Where should we go? Don't hit my bike. Beatrice! Beatrice for Dortmund! Woo! Ah! Woo! Oh, Dolce is leading the way. We ain't fucking about. Oh, I think I just got him really wet. Sorry, mate. Sorry, dog. It's a bit nervous, that. Ah! Oh shit, there's a deep one down here. Oh shit. I'm soaked. Dolce, you alright? Let's get this out of here. Oh, Dolce. I'm out of breath. Right, should we get home? Come here. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Paw. Yeah. Let's do this. It's not turning on. There we go. Whee! This one's big. Bits of wood. Whee! Well, it seems recently that if I don't have a crash, then it's not a decent ride. And I just had me a little off. I wouldn't call that a crash as such, but it's back into it. Don't. Ah! Don't! Ah! Ah! You hit me! Ah, that really hurt! Don't! Stop biting me! Get away from you! I don't know about you, mate, but I think this is a lot more fun than walking around the block. We don't do walking around the block, do we, boy? Yeah, well done. It's quite good. I thought back wheel was going to give way then. A bit too much throttle. Slipping clutches and giving it throttle is not a good idea. Don't bite me, Bubba.
We're not good at that, Dolce. Why did you say to do that?
We need to get you a drink, didn't we?
Get a drink.